You guys ready for another Leggari Academy exclusive video sneak peek? Countertops coated off-site, then installed on-site. What's going on, everyone? We are back on Phoenix construction job in a shop, right? The cool thing about this project and why we wanted to come out and film this is they built counters and they're coating them off-site, and then they're gonna go and install them after they're coated. They have a lot of construction going on, new building. They want to add some counters, not a lot of places in there to coat. They have other stuff going on, gonna be creating a lot of dust. Another option is to coat them off-site, build them off-site. So fracture veins, where you want to do real tight veins, I'm going to run one right in here. So I'll take a tongue depressor. I'll put it up there because when I tilt it, it's going to slowly drip down. See that? So as I'm moving this through the resin, the effects are going to be dripping down the paint stick into the effects, or into the resin. I mean, it looks cool, but not what I was going for. So let's run one maybe right here. I'm gonna do not as much black on that bad boy. There we go. I just had too much effects on that stick. So you can see how tight that is. Real fine vein, easy way to create some cool fracture veins. And obviously the thicker you pour the effects on those tongue depressors, the more product that's going to go out, the thicker that fracture vein is going to be. But really tight, skinny ones, just do small amounts of the effects and you'll get those cool looks. All right, guys, so we're going to head inside. They've got these all installed. It looks absolutely phenomenal. Backsplash has turned out amazing, so let's go check it out.